Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, how are you? I hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Welcome to NIBS Homeschool, and this is Mokter Hossain, Assistant Teacher of Islamic Studies, National Ideal English Version School Day Shift. Today I am going to take an Islamic Studies class for the students of class Junior 1, and our today's topic is answering question number 5. Dear students, let's see the board. Topic: answering question number 5, term annual 21, lecture number 16, SW number also will be 16. Dear students, so let's start our today's topic. Answering question, or you can say question answer. Number 5. Write 10 letters with tashdid. And the answer is Hamza ba zabar ab, ba zabar ba, abba. Hamza ta zabar at, ta zabar ta, atta. Hamza sa zabar at, sa zabar ta, atta. Hamza jim zabar aj, jim zabar ja, ajja. Hamza ha zabar ah, ha zabar ha, aha. Hamza kha zabar ah, kha zabar kha, akha. Hamza dal zabar at, dal zabar da, adda. Hamza zal zabar ad, zal zabar da, adda. Hamza ra zabar ar, ra zabar ra, arra. Hamza za zabar az, za zabar za, azza. Dear students, I repeat, write 10 letters with tashdid, and the answer is Hamza ba zabar ab, ba zabar ba, abba. Hamza ta zabar ad, ta zabar ta, adda. Hamza sa zabar az, sa zabar ta, assa. Hamza jim zabar ad, jim zabar ja, ajja. Hamza ha zabar ah, ha zabar ha, aha. Hamza kha zabar ah, kha zabar kha, akha. Hamza dal zabar ad, dal zabar da, adda. Hamza dal zabar ad, dal zabar da, azza. Hamza ra zabar ar, ra zabar ra, arra. Hamza za zabar az, za zabar za, azza. Dear students, now SW topic will be question answer 5. So dear students, I hope you have understood today's topic properly. If you don't understand any word, you can contact with me. Keep practicing at your home. Abide by your parents. Stay safe and well. See you again inshallah. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.